Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to make the header fade out in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio dashboard, and in order to go to your website, just click on Design Site. And once you click on it, you will be redirected to your website right here. And as you can see, I have this header. Let's select the header. Make sure you're selecting the header. You can right click and go to select a layer and click on header instead of just clicking multiple times at the header section. And then from here we will open the inspector tool, and then from here the scroll effect, we will change this into fade out, and then you can edit some specific settings right here. So for example, I have the duration set to 0.6, and if we preview our website, once I scroll down, you will see that the header automatically fades out whenever I scroll down. And then if you want to make the duration of this effect faster, you can change this settings right here. Go to preview, and once I scroll down, you can see that the fade out effect is now much more faster than earlier. So it depends on your preference on how long you want the fade out effect to be, but that is how you do it. You can also add a delay and tap offset if you want to apply these. And that is how we add a fade out effect to the header in Wix Studio. And thank you for watching.